How to use MyFitnessPal Nutrition Dashboard. To use the MyFitnessPal Nutrition Dashboard, first of all, launch the MyFitnessPal application onto your device. Now, you simply have to go ahead and open your diary from the bottom navigation bar and scroll down to the very bottom and tap the nutrition button over here. From here, all you have to do is you can access the visual breakdown of your daily food consumption, or you can also tap on this filter option to select week or even change or set it to your manual date. From here, you can access all the visible breakdowns. You can now navigate to the three primary views such as calories, macros tab, and nutrients tab. You can also change the tracking time frame as once again by tapping on this option. And you can also customize the dashboard focus, which is premium features you can access if you only have subscribed to the MyFitnessPal Premium. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.